So check this out. How cool is this? This is the new concept Lenovo Go Fold, which introduces flexible gaming modes and work mode as well. So it starts off as a normal laptop in its folio case. And when you're ready to go gaming, you can detach it and then use the detachable controllers and put it into 2 different modes. You can have in Horizon modes, which allows you to have it in this 11.6 inch of screen real estate, so you can gain all you want on that large display. And then you can have in vertical mode, which offers opportunity to have split screen. So maybe gaming on one side and then chat on the other side. What you can then do is then fold it over to go into just your standard regular Legion Go mode, but folding over that flexible pull-out screen. It comes with the usual ports and all that kind of stuff, but the whole point of this is being able to go from work mode and transition into gaming mode, which is also flexible. This is the ThinkBook Modular AI PC, and it's a concept device, not the final product. It appears as a standard 14-inch notebook, but as a second detachable 14-inch display that's placed on the back. The rear display includes an integrated kickstand, which you can use as an external travel monitor in landscape or portrait mode. The keyboard is removable and operates via Bluetooth, and it also features 2 swappable modular ports on either side for customization such as USB-C, HDMI, or USB Type-A. That can be put in a case when you're not using it, or if you have extra ones, you can stick that in a case. What's cool about this is you now have 2 displays that you can carry around with you. So if you're someone who doesn't have a base and you work remotely or work out and about, this will be perfect for you. As for the spec, we can expect up to Intel Core Ultra 7 255H, Windows 11 is there, Intel integrated graphics, 32 GB of memory, and up to 1 TB of M.2 PCIe SSD. You have Wi-Fi 7. The display itself supports 120 Hz, 500 nits of peak brightness, it's touchscreen, and those 2 14-inch 16:10 OLED displays. We're talking 3840 by 2400. For audio, we have Harman Kardon 2+2 speakers, 4 mic array, Dolby Atmos, and smart amplifier. For the camera, 8 megapixel, and the battery is a 33 watt-hour battery. For the ports, you can have 1 USB-C, 2 USB-A, HDMI, and 2 Magic Bay Pogo pin, which allows you to connect that keyboard and also swap around the screen. And you also have 1 combo audio jack. As for how much it weighs, if you have a single display attached, it's 1.15 kg. If you have a dual displays attached altogether, 1.41 kg. You basically have 2 displays, 1 keyboard, and modular ports, which is kind of interesting. Yes, it's still a concept device, but it's kind of cool to see where Lenovo are going in their thinking. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below.